What's going on, buddy? Zodiac here, and we're going to be talking about Dothan, Alabama. And if we haven't already seen, we've seen the one with Honor Your Oath, and we've seen another one. I believe his name's I can't remember. It's Bravo Mike or something to that effect.
Providing me with your social security number, your driver's license number if you know it, your date of birth, your address, and your full name.
Am I free to go?
No, you are not. And if you don't provide the information that I'm asking for that report, because you have caused this situation and me to be brought here, yes, you will be arrested for obstructing. That's great. That's cool. I look forward to seeing myself on YouTube. Of course, that's great. That's cool. I look forward to seeing myself on YouTube.
Tag on the vehicle.
10-4, go ahead.
Floor tag 096. We doing 1050 on that vehicle.
10-4, vehicles 1054, 1029, gray 2016 Kia utility to Jeffery, gray, out of St. Augustine, Sean, valid 48.
He says Jeff Gray.
10-4.
You're not just an idiot, you're a cancer!
The neighborhood watchman? Alright, well do me a favor if you can, videotape from that Creek Myrtle sign so that you're in front of my traffic stop. Listen, I don't know you, don't know me.
You need to know me,
I want
Kevin
you in front of me.
I got a license to videotape.
Okay.
You don't tell Ricky Sosa to go across the town.
I'm asking you to step in front so that I can keep eyes on you.
You watching me right now. You got your car right there.
Step over there so that I can keep eyes on you while I conduct my investigation.
Conduct your investigation.
If you continue to refuse
I'm 30 feet away from you, man. You approach me. You approach me.
Are obstructing
you approach me.
You are obstructing my investigation.
I'm 30 feet away from that go.
With your presence. Please, if you want to continue filming,
I'm not interfering
as I
with you.
requested very politely.
I'm not interfering with you.
Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest.
Okay, fine.
Put your palms together.
I'm my hand behind my
Place
back.
your palms
My
together.
hand behind my back.
Okay.
I can't get a place to go in there.
Links will be in the description to those two guys' channels, but the one thing in common with both of these videos is an officer named Kevin Fisher. Officer Kevin Fisher. I'll put his badge number somewhere up here for you. And what I have been doing, incident that I've seen, which came out on like a Saturday, on Monday I started calling Dothan to try to do a FOIA request or a public records request or whatever. I've spoken to the police department. They gave me the runaround. Extremely rude, especially when I mentioned the officer's name. A lot of things changed with the police department. So through all that, I ended up getting in contact with the city attorney. Like I said, all those links will be in the description below. I spoke to the city attorney. The city attorney, they tried to tell me I needed a subpoena, this, that, and the other. Spoke to another person. They told me about a couple statutes or a couple penal codes in Alabama. And one of them is going to be 361240, and the other one is going to be 361241. Like I said, all that'll be in the description below. I'll probably pop up a little screen over here so you can kind of see it. But basically, what it does say is that you can get records requests and da-da-da-da-da. Well, they don't really care about the penal. They don't care about their own penal codes, and they don't care about any federal law like the American Disability Act and things of that nature. Because I tried to let them know that, hey, you know, I have a disability that hinders me from doing a records request the way you want me to do it. And that wasn't good enough. I then went to the city manager, and from there, the city manager told me to get a life. Her words verbatim. If I could have recorded the conversation, I would have recorded this. But she told me to get a life. Anybody can start a YouTube channel. Anybody can do this, that, and the other. And I told her, I'm like, I don't know what you're talking about, ma'am. All I'm trying to do is get a records request, because I want the dash cams and body cams to honor your oaths incident. I will have all the information, all that information of the day, the persons involved. That should be sufficient enough for you to get a records request. And for me, I'm going to do it. And for all of you that are watching, I would highly recommend that you try to get in touch with this department to try to get this records request. If anybody can get this records request, please email me at soloyacker, the number 2, all that'll be in the description, at gmail.com. Soloyacker, the number 2, at gmail.com. Email me if you get the records, if you get the body cams or anything like that, and if you happen to get them, the first person that can get me these records, I've got something extremely special for you. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but you know my deal. It's always something either gun oriented, or it's going to be something, either a body cam, you know, it's going to be something really cool. So let's try to get this documentation, because I do believe that this county or this city is a very, very corrupt and very tyrannical. They don't care about the law. We saw that through the videos and through all the stuff that we've seen. This officer has not learned his lesson. He has a lawsuit pending, all this stuff, and they just do not care. So when they do not care, it is up to us, we the people, to hold them accountable. They work for us, we don't work for them. So if you want to, like I said, links will be in the description below. I will give you all the contact information that I do have, and if you want to try to put in a records request, please put one in. And if you can get a hold of the records, the body cams, the dash cams, the CAD report, and the police report, if you can get all that information, whoever can get that email to me the first, I've got something really special for you. So that's about enough of me ranting and raving. And don't forget, hit that like, share, and that subscribe button, and let's try to help out these guys that got their rights violated. So like I said, all the links, description below, and I'm gonna get out of here. Soliacker, deuces.